Welcome back to my channel. So today's video will be a lash video. I haven't done a lash video in a while. I feel like I've kind of neglected my lash videos, so I wanted to do one for you guys. However, I'm just looking through my lashes that I have, and I don't really like, I'm kind of in a little dilemma right now. Hold on, let me just fix this properly. Yeah, so basically I have DD curls, which I feel like DD curls, like, they curl a lot. Like, it's really curled, and I don't know, I don't think I really like it being curled that much. So I was looking to see if I have any D curls at least, but I have no D curls. And I'm also trying to do my bottom lashes, which I think I found some C curls for the bottom lashes, which is fine, so I'll probably just use those on the bottom. But yeah, I found a C curl right here, but these, I hate doing fans with them because they don't fan out properly with this brand that I have. This is just a brand that I got from Amazon. And I did say I was not going to really show lash brands anymore because, like, my lash videos get a lot of views from what I've seen, and I know a lot of persons are buying lashes because people have actually, like, DM me to say, like, you know, they've gotten it and whatnot. So I know people are buying them. So I think I kind of deserve my flowers. And I just feel like they don't really care. So I had promised not to, not to show it anymore. But yeah, the glue that I'm using is the Ardell Lash Tight glue, and from I'm showing the glue, then you already know, you know, some funds is along the line. But yeah, I'm just putting it in my spoolie thing right here, not putting a lot because I don't want to waste it. But these are the tools that I'll be using. The tweezers are from Amazon as well. I will probably link it down below. But when you're doing volumes, you want the tweezers that looks like this. I don't remember what this one is called, but this is pretty much the volume tweezer. You want this one. I also have this one, which, like, you don't really need it because you're not doing the isolation. So I'm gonna be using this. Okay, so I have these lashes here. I'm going to see if I could use the C curls. These are from Amazon. But I know the C curls probably will not come out cute, so I'm just going to see if I can actually try with the C curls. I know the C curls gave a little bit of trouble. That's why I was trying to not use them, but I guess. So I'm gonna be putting 16 right here. Then as I go along, I'm gonna bring it all the way to probably 18, or I'm probably gonna mix it with the DD curls and the C curls. I don't know, I probably will mix it, but yeah. Okay guys, so after I was done doing this video, I didn't even realize at the same time. It was not until I am editing the video now when I realized that I was not in the frame for majority of this video. I am so mad, like I am so annoyed. So I had to just pretty much cut out most of the video because you guys would have just had like a 30-minute video with just my head top showing, and I was so annoyed. But yeah, I had to cut out most of it, so that's why it's this short, because I'm like, it doesn't make any sense. But because I ended up like, you know, I did it already, I want to post, I want to let you guys see how it turns out anyways. I do have other videos showing exactly where I place my lashes, how I make my fans. Like I have different videos on them, so I didn't like, you know, just like you guys don't like that. Like, yeah, it's like they're tools provided. They're videos where I'm showing you guys exactly what I'm doing. So don't even watch this video. Like, if you're new to my channel and you're watching like one of my lash videos for the first time, then I will, somewhere on the screen, I will show you guys a playlist that I have created with all my lash videos, so you will see exactly what I did. I am so sorry. I myself is annoyed. Like, I am very annoyed. So yeah, sorry guys. But anyways, the lash still came out cute, so I still wanted to post it. But don't come at me, don't fight me, don't fight me. how they're looking right now. I don't feel like I'm going to be adding any more to it, just because I feel like it's dark enough. I didn't even want it to be this dark, but you know, I had to. You can't take off without like messing it up. I didn't want to take it off or rather add, so hence why I went in and I added a few right here so it could balance out. But I feel like this is good. I do want to go in and do my bottom lashes again. I don't know, but yeah, I do want to go in and do them. I don't know if I should, but I do. I don't know if I'm gonna do it on camera, because sometimes the bottom lashes are actually annoying when it's time to like wash your face. That's why I hate doing my bottom lashes. But yeah, if anything, I'll probably just do it like tomorrow on a different day. But for now, I'm gonna leave it like this. I hope you guys enjoyed me doing my lashes. Once more, I feel like it's been a long time since I've done a lash video, so I feel like why not bring back at least one. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm going to be linking the tools that I use, so the tweezers and the glue, down below. I'm going to look on Amazon to see, like, I'm going to see if the lashes that I used today is on Amazon still. If it is, then I will be linking it down below as well, so you guys have a chance to like purchase it and probably just mimic what I just did. If you did, then definitely tag me on Instagram so I could repost you guys, because I feel like, yeah, you guys need the fact that you're doing your own lashes. Yeah, like shout out to you guys. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I will definitely see you guys in my next. Bye.